Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to backup and restore WhatsApp messages on Android. For this, you just have to open your WhatsApp and here just tap on three dots in the top right corner, then select settings. In settings, just scroll down and look for chats. And here, just scroll down again and you will get chat backup here. Just tap on it and then tap on backup. Here you just have to select your Google account, just tap on it and here just select the account on which you want to get a backup. As I have selected, so you just have to wait for its loading. Here just tap on continue and here our Google account has been set. Now tap on backup to get a backup. So here you can see it is being backup. So after that, if you want to enable your automatic backup, just tap on it and here just tap on only when I tap backup, or you can easily select daily from here if you want. As I've selected daily, then tap on backup, so it will take a backup of your messages. You can include your videos from here or backup using your cellular. Just enable that options and here you can see our backup has been completed. So let's see how can you restore your WhatsApp messages. For restoring, you just have to re-log into your WhatsApp. So just open WhatsApp app and here you just have to re-log in. Just tap on again continue and here just enter your number. After entering number, just tap on next and here you just have to wait for code and here just select continue, then select allow, then allow your music access, then allow your photos and videos, and here you will get a backup screen just like that. You just have to tap on restore to restore your all messages. It will take a while and after that your all messaging will be restored just like that. So you just have to wait for it and then tap on next and here just enter your name. As I have entered, just tap on next and then skip this step if you want. You can easily add email. So after that your all messages will be backed up just like that. So that's how you can easily backup and restore your WhatsApp messages. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.